YouTube, man? It's your boy Ty, man, back with another update. My bad that I was late during this week or whatever. Like I said, man, you know, the ones who follow me know I started a trucking company or whatever, so got tied up with the truck or whatever this week. But I'm back with the update. So as y'all can see now, man, we're about 10% in profit. Max drawdown got to 26%. So, you know, still pretty good. As you can see right now, we in profit, $315. Total deposits we had so far done been $7,300, and we done withdrew $1,100. So, you know, overall, man, good. Can't complain. I'm about to show y'all the live trades that we in right now. So, the live trades that we actually in right now, we're in this AUD USD trade, which I got my entry. I got the entry right for the take profit. So I'm expecting it to hit that hopefully tonight or tomorrow to be able to get us out of that trade. And then the same thing for this EUD, this Euro USD trade as well. Have the entry at take profit. And then if y'all want to see the profit that we made yesterday, let me show it to y'all. We did a total of $456 yesterday. So yesterday was a good day as well. So it's just an update about what's been going on. And I'm going to try my best to bring y'all another video again tomorrow to update y'all about what's going on. The link to the Pamm will be in the description. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. And see y'all later with the next update. Peace.